In this video, we are going to see how we can extract some of the important reports in Teleprime. As we can see here in our assignment, that all we have done is entering the opening balances, entering the customers and vendor balances and inventory details along with all the day-to-day transactions. So now the project is complete and we want to extract some important reports. How can we do that? Let's see. So we have many important reports like balance sheet, profit and loss, but the source report, which is then transferred to all the other financial reports, is trial balance. So the first hand report is the trial balance. From the gateway of Tele, just click on display more reports, because on the front we can only see the balance sheet, profit and loss and ratio analysis. So I need to go in display more reports. Once we are in here, on the top we can see the trial balance report. Click here. Here on this screen, we can see the total balances according to group and not the individual ledgers. So if we want to see the individual ledger details as well, just hold the alternate key and then press F1 to see the details along with the ledgers. So the total balance on the debit and credit side is 4853060. Now this is what the balance I remember, but don't worry if you have any changed balance, you can just simply follow this one. And if you have some discrepancy, you can just simply select that particular ledger, drill it down, like just hit enter and then press enter again and then press enter again. So it will take you to the ledgers vouchers. And once we click one more time, it will take you to the alteration screen. So let's say instead of 18,000, you have entered 8,000. You can make all these corrections here and then press Ctrl A and escape to go back, and immediately it should update the balance here. So you can check the balances accordingly. For your convenience, I'll export this report so that you can check this and match it with yours. To export, we can just directly click on this export section on the top, or otherwise use this short key along with the combination of alternate. So alternate E, and I want to extract the current report. If you want to configure this, you will click on configure, otherwise you can export it directly. So let's say instead of XML file, I want to configure this and change it to some other file format. So if you want to show the opening balances, you will just hit enter once and it will be changed to yes. Show transaction, yes. And all the other details can be mentioned as well. Type of grouping, we will change it to ledger wise. Instead of XML, we want to switch to Excel. Just hit enter and you should be able to change that. The folder path is C program files and Teleprime. If you want to extract it to somewhere else like C drive, and let's create a new one, Tele reports. Hit enter. Since this is a new folder that doesn't exist, you want to create it? Yes. So folder path is all set. The file name that will be extracted can be set here. You can change it easily. Hit enter again. Go back. As you can see here, all set. How I went back, just press escape a couple of times and you should be able to go on the screen and click on export. And now it will directly export the report. In the C drive, we can see this particular folder that is named as Tele reports. Just go in here and just open this ledger up, and we can see the opening balances along with the debit and credit transaction and then the closing balances. So if you want to ignore this, we can either hide it or remove it, and the other balances are these. But as we can see here, it even involves the individual ledgers like debtors, creditors, all ledgers here as well. So if we don't want this kind of report, we can make the settings. Just let's go and try some other settings. By default, the opening balances is set to no, show transaction is set to no, and all the other things are set. Let's configure this. Type of grouping is set to group wise. Format is detailed, all set. I'll just customize the location and I'll set it to Tele reports trial 2. I'll just name it like that. Hit enter, go back and we can hit export. And this time it shows like this. So this is the kind of report that shows the exact same style with the exact same balance. I'll just attach it with the resources section of this video so that you can check that out for your reference. So that's how we can extract the trial balance report in Teleprime. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.